Good afternoon. We're looking at a 3-bedroom house, townhouse in Playa Paraíso phase 1. And it's been redone in many aspects of the house. So as we enter, you come to this private terrace and patio. You've got the marquees that gives you some shade, which is needed. Today is August 2021. You've got space for your barbecue and your dining area. All the windows have been changed in the house. So as we enter, you enter into a very nice and ample living room with your dining table and open plan kitchen. The kitchen was changed in 2006. Now on this level, you also have a bathroom. Let's see. Here is your bathroom with your toilet and washing machine. Kitchen comes with all the electric appliances that you need. Everything is working and functioning. So we go. Staircase, as you can see, has also been exchanged and with the handles to walk up. Most of these houses have the spiral staircase, and here we are on the first level. Floors have been changed. You got a bathroom on this level with your walk-in shower. Main bedroom with built-in wardrobes. Plenty of space for storage. So second bedroom, also with built-in wardrobe. And we come out to the terrace. So this is the part that has been extended in 2004. And it is an extra bedroom. And the air conditioning is actually enough for the whole level. And from here we can appreciate the built-in wardrobe better. On the third level is the absolute beauty of this house. Not only the location and the orientation, it is that you are next to the beach. You even see the sun on the beach and you enjoy the sun all day. 2 sun lounges. We've got sun until it goes down behind that low mountain on the villas. They've done some storage space for lilos, for all the cushions and for the lounges. And here. So this terrace has been done in 2004 and the pergola in 2006. This view will always stay. You've got the community pool just here, which is absolute luxury. Pool next to the beach. I'm going to leave the link below with additional information. Just to remind you that the extra room downstairs, the bedroom, the third bedroom, was done in 2002. The terrace in 2004. Kitchen in 2006. All the electric has been exchanged in 2009, and all the tilings and at the roof terrace was also changed in 2017. So the maintenance on this house has been done all the time while they've been living here. On the link below you will find more pictures and the description for the property. For any additional questions, feel free to contact us, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.